Welcome back to my channel. This is the CVS haul for the week of June 6th to June 12th. I will also consider this week a good week if you have the right CRTs and the right coupons. So with that being said, let's get into my first transaction. On the first one, I did the U by Kotex deal. This week is spend 15 get $5 back, and also buy one get one half off. So what I did was pick up the big one for $10.29 and the little ones for $1.66. So 3 of them was full price and 2 was half off. So now let me zoom in so that you can see all the coupons I used. I used a $1 off app coupon, and I have a 3 off of 3 feminine care. That's why I picked up multiples. That way I can be able to apply that, because you need at least 3. I also have a 3 off of 15, and I used 3 extra bucks. I used a $3, another $3, and a $2, and my total was only 35 cents. And I got a $5 extra bucks back, which I also rolled to another transaction, because I always like to roll my extra bucks. I don't have to keep on piling it up. So when I get to the deal I use the $5 on, I will make sure I mention it. Okay, let's go back and do the next deal. My second transaction was on the feminine care again. This week I have some good CRTs on feminine care. That's why it looks like I'm doing a lot of feminine cares, but that's okay because I still got them for good price. So this week Playtex is spend 12 get $3 back, and it's buy one get one half off. And what I did was pick up the Playtex, the 36 counts, for $9.49, and the small one, the 18 pack, is for $6.29. And since this week is buy one get one half off, the $6.29 was cut into half for $3.15. So I also picked up an extra CVS brand because I have a 3 off of 15, and this 2 was not up to 15. So the CVS one was $3.79. I know I spent extra because I can as well just take the 2 and go, but I really want to use the 3 off of 15, so that CVS is costing me only 79 cents. So I picked up the Skin Teammate Bloom. This week is spend 15 get $5 back. I have a CRT that will be expiring today, and I don't want to lose that. My store only have 1, so that's why I was able to pick up 1. I will go later in the week to get the second one to get up to $15 to get my $5 extra buck back. So let me zoom in so you can see the coupons are applied. The first one was for the Skin Teammate, the app coupon $4, and also you can see where it says 4 off Skin Teammate razor. That's the one that is expiring today. So the next coupon was the 3 off of 2 Playtex app coupon. Everybody was supposed to get that. The 5 off of Playtex was a CRT. I think that's personalized. I don't think everybody got that, or you might get something different or even something better. So you see the 3 off of 15 feminine care, and I only used a $5 extra buck. I paid $1.41 out of pocket plus tax, and this is the $3 I got for spending 12 on Playtex. I have a good deal last week on Playtex too, almost the same. And I also this week I have another Playtex CRT. That's why I did it 2 weeks in a row. Okay, with that, let's move over to the next deal. This is my last transaction for this deal. So what I did on this deal is I did the spend 45 get 15 back, spend 30 get 10 back. So, and also the Iris Spring, $3.99 each, buy 2 get $3 back. The Hallmark, buy 3 get $3 back. The Chic, spend 15 get $5 back. The Colgate, buy 1 for $3.49 get $2 back, limit of 2. That's why you see 2 Colgates. This week, last week receipt, I got a spend 50 get $10 off. And on the CRT that just came in, I have a 6 off of 30 deodorant, razor, and oral care. So I need to combine everything together in order to get more money off my transaction. So that means the two thresholds, the $30 and the $50, I have to meet them. So I have to spend at least $80 in order to get the $16 off. So what I did was pick up the, okay, let me start with the 6 off of 30, because that includes the deodorant, the razor, and the Colgate. So I got the Degree, and this is buy one get one half off. And on Ibotta we have a $1.75 cashback. So these 4 containers, I'm already getting a $7 from Ibotta. So what I did was pick up the spray. It's $6.99 each, both the men and the women. Buy one get one half off. So the first one will be $6.99. The second one will be half of it. So 4 of them came up to $20 some change. Then I picked up the razor, $5.99 each, spend $15, get $5 back, and the 3 of them came up to $17.97. And the Colgate is $3.49, and I have a 50 cents, but that 50 cents did not apply, but I only used a 75 cents off for the Colgate, which is still a good deal because all this is more than $30. So I will be getting $6 off from it. And the Skintimate, I have 2 internet printable coupons, $4 each, and I also have a $4 on my app, and I have a 4 off too. So all my coupons for the Skintimate is $16. So the Skintimate itself total was $17.97. If you take out the $16, so all I'm paying for the Skintimate was $1.97, and I'll be getting a $5 extra bucks back. For the Colgate is $3.49. They only took off the 75 cents from it, and I got back the $4 because it's a limit of 2. So after all this, the Irish Spring, I have a $1 off app coupon, and I printed out from irishspring.com, 75 cents. The Hallmark was $2 each, and I have a 3 off of 2 Hallmark CRT. I have one from last week and one from this week. So I used both, and that takes away everything. I paid nothing for that, and I got a $3 back. And that's what I used to fill up my, it's kind of like a filler item for the spend 50 get $10 off. So when you combine the Degree price and the razor and the Colgate, everything came up to $30 something. The Irish Spring, the Tide, and the Hallmark card, plus the rest of the money on top of the $30, now made it $50. So my total before tax was $83 some change. So that's why I'm able to combine both threshold, because when you have a threshold CRT, always make sure that you add both amount that you're supposed to spend on each CRT. That way you will know the total you have to put together in order to get your off. If not, the register will reject it. So for the Irish Spring, I got a $3 back. You see that? For the spend 45 get $15 back. That's where I have a problem, because when I did my math in the store, I was able to get to $47, but after scanning it and everything, I got only $10 back. And when I look at my receipt, it says I need 16 cents to get to $45 to get my $5 back. I'll be going back to the store this week, later on this week, to see if I can still spend the 16 cents and get $5 back, because I've been hearing lots of stories about people going back and they're not giving it. And I also have the Chic, the Skintimate blade. I have to go and do the second one to get $5 back. So I'll be doing that later on this week. And also for the Hallmark, I got back a $3 extra bucks. The Skintimate, I got back a $5 extra bucks. And the Colgate, I got a $4 extra buck. So let me zoom into my receipt. It's quite long, but you can see how I have the first one is the Colgate 75 cents off. The $4 is for the Chic. The next one is for the Chic. The 125 is for the Degree spray, and also the 75 cents. I don't know where that came from. The $3 coupon is for the Tide. The Skintimate is, I have a 4 off of 2. No, Tide, the $4. The next $4 is from the app coupon, and the $3. Those two $3. The next 2 is also app coupon for the Degree. The next one is for the Tide. You can see my 10 off of 50 applied. My 6 off of 30 also applied. The 4 off of 2 Skintimate applied. The 3 off of 2 Hallmark card. Another 3 off of 2 Hallmark card. I have a 2 off Degree CRT, and I used a $19 extra buck. I paid out of pocket $9.87, and I got back all this. I got back a $25 extra buck, making this is a money maker, but since I paid some money out of pocket, it really brings it down. And also remember that I'm getting back a $7 from Ibotta for the Degree deodorant. And also when everything applied and you take away what's supposed to be taken away, the whole out of pocket I paid for all this for the whole item, 20-something item, was less than $8. So if I got like 20-something items for less than $8, I think that's a great deal. And one more thing, my last haul, I mentioned about the Febreze plugin, and I think I will be mentioning the winner today. And the winner is, drumroll, Frank. Frank, please send me your address. I will put his name up here somewhere. Please send me your address, and I'll be mailing in the Febreze plugin. And please also like my video, comment, subscribe, share, and hopefully as we grow, I will be doing more giveaways. And thank you all for watching my channel and supporting my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification button so that we can continue sharing this deal and helping each other. And if you watch this and you see a deal that I didn't do, or the one I did that I would have done better, I don't mind the suggestion. Thank you. Bye.